step out with one leg. We each move a leg and the other's boat.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, I'm sore.
Wait a second. Wait a second. I gotta get centered here. Oh. Come back here. Come back here, Doc.
Is it dinner time?
Not quite.
Right here, I'm making a move.
These guys are ambitiously trying something, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
You get there.
Do you like smack their heads on the pier?
Yes.
Them on.
Awesome.
Middle.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Got it?
Now that was teamwork.
Now what? Rick's like, doesn't matter. He's on land.
Here, you can both in yours.
Yeah, they're both that
Put
way.
one in here.
One in here?
One in, yeah, put one in here.
Excellent.
Come on. Now put one up on